Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2853. Today's date is 30 August 2023. It's almost like a night at 10:19 p.m. Okay, I just don't want to talk about what exactly happened today. What exactly happened today? I don't know. I just like feel little bit of stress because of that. My father is. I don't know. It's like kind of like a something really is like it's another day in office. What do you mean by another day in office? Like the usual things, na, dude. Okay, like since I'm doing this YouTube and I am 30, and my father says, "What are you doing with the life?" And everything. Because of my father says something, those words to me, I feel like that he. I don't know. I just feel a little bit of in stress. I don't know what should I do. I just identically record my gameplay like I have to record my gameplay in the morning. Till now I have to started doing editing, but because of the stress I couldn't able to record artifact, couldn't able to record my gameplay and feel little bit of stress. Whatever, okay, things are happened. Yeah, I feel right now really good. Yeah, like I wait for evening, then I went to stadium, I run. After that I feel really good. Came came at home, record my gameplay, eat my dinner, recording artifact episode. Yeah, just struggle is continue. Okay, struggle or like what is called grind is continue. Okay, just grinding. Whatever. So I just don't wanted to make this artifact episode kind of like a something really bore. Okay, bore or whatever it is. I just wants to make this artifact episode as good as possible as I can. Right. So that's why I have some sort of questions. Okay. Those questions are right, kind of like a something really very important. Is it important? Important means like that ki like this question as belongs to kind of like a this question belongs to the girlfriend and boyfriend. Okay. Like if you have a girlfriend then and if you have a boyfriend, like, so what is the question that you have to ask to make the connection between you become stronger? So these are some sort of questions. Okay, right now I don't really have any girlfriend, but yeah, those questions are kind of like something really very essential. Some of the questions are really good. Yeah, I can sense that. So should we start? All right, let's do this. So, deep question to ask your girlfriend. In order to truly understand the person you are dating, we recommend utilizing these thoughtful questions to ask your girlfriend. Having a honest and vulnerable questions can be scary, especially early in your relationship. But these deep questions to ask your girlfriend are an easy way to get to know each other and become to the surface level, beyond the surface level. So yeah, hey my. So yes, let's talk about these questions, dude. Here, okay, yeah, just ask. Okay, what do you feel when you feel the happen? When you feel, when do you feel the happiest? Okay, when do you feel the happiest? Okay, okay. The font is kind of like a very small now, so that's why it's kind of like a very difficult to read. But right now, okay, I can read it. I can make it kind of like a something real font. How should I make it? Okay, whatever. Okay, so I can zoom it na. Yeah, I can zoom it. Okay, when do you feel the happiest? All right, so happiest moment in my life. So usually most of my happiest moment with my friend. Okay, like whatever the happy, like, yeah, most of the happiest moment I have with my friends. Okay, and the time I spent with them was like I feel that yeah, I am became very happiest person. Okay, and I spent a lot of time. Okay, like at this time I didn't really spend that much time. Okay, since this last year, last few year, but before that, I'm talking about before, almost like a 3 4 years ago, we are like a very close, we are spending so much time with each other, and it's like there are lots of memories. Okay, but most of the happiest moments are come from my friends. All right, next question. What makes you feel the most fulfill? Most fulfill means like that ki satisfied, like things that you have means most fulfill means like that कि फुलफिल यानी मतलब क्या होता है, फुलफिल का मतलब होता है कि वट एवर द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव, यू आर फील लाइक लिटिल बिट ऑफ सेटिस्फाइड कि हाँ चलो द मोमेंट दैट आई स्पेंड द थिंग्स दैट आई रिक्वायर्ड is completely full. Okay, and that fulfill word is actually get by the, like, usually I don't know, like this question is kind of like something really close to the ask this question before. Like basically let me let me tell you one thing. Okay, what is the most happiest moment in your life? I say my answer is when I spend my time with my friend, those moments are became the very happiest moment in my life. Okay, what does it means? It means that ki i I enjoy, not only enjoy, but I fulfill all the, I fulfill na, I feel most fulfill, like I feel that ki this is the kind of like a something really peak of the happiness. Means like like when you are happiness, you are kind of like something really that ki I don't know how should I explain this fulfill. Okay, all those emotions, I don't know yaar. Okay, like how should I describe this fulfill? Okay, let me tell you one thing. Okay, what makes you feel the most fulfill? Okay, if I didn't really know the question na, okay, just uh, translate this thing na. कभी कभी like basically what is exactly is this thing कि somehow some of the questions that I copy, then go, oh sorry, did I, no it's recording. Okay, it's recording, yes, sorry. So go to the Google and then translate, then uh, best and English, I want it to be Hindi. सो कौन सी चीज़ आपको सबसे अधिक पूर्ण महसूस करती है, अधिक पूर्ण महसूस करती है वगैरह, आई डोंट नो, लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली, कौन सी चीज़, ओके लाइक यहाँ पे चीज ना, कौन सी चीज़, ओके लाइक दे आर टॉकिंग व्हाट मेक्स यू फील द मोस्ट फुलफिल, कौन सी चीज़ आपको सबसे अधिक अधिक पूर्ण महसूस होती है, कौन सी चीज़, what makes you feel the most fulfill, what makes you feel the most fulfill, what makes you uh I don't know how should I describe this thing, like basically ये fulfill का मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, what is exactly the most fulfill, what is exactly the most satisfied, what is exactly most happiness, how should I describe this? It's kind of like a something really, the answer that you are expecting is kind of like a something really same. Okay, like when I became the most happiest, like when I feel the most happiest, what is the most happiest moment in my life? when I spend my time with my friend, so obviously I fulfill the all those things. So it's kind of like something really same. So the question is same. All right, next question. What does make your perfect day looks like? Okay, perfect day. It basically depends on the routine. Okay. And like I never really think that कि perfect day यानी मतलब क्या होता है. Okay, usually the life that I choose in this life, usually somehow I work for almost like a 10 hour 12 hour, but sometime I didn't really work. Okay, so basically it's not, my life is not like a 9 to 5 job. No. So usually I can't predict कि मुझे किस तरह से काम करना है. ओके, usually the whatever the whatever the work in front of me, I just have to do it. But यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि what makes your day is perfect. There is no perfect day यार dude. Okay, from my perspective, from my thing, okay, there is no perfect day. Okay, there is always, like I feel that कि there is always thing are left behind. Okay, and I have to make it that possible. But usually what makes me a perfect day, like I don't know, but there is a one moment that I wanted to feel that some people are actually experience that much. Okay, usually the whatever the day that you are in it, sometimes good day, bad day, worst day, whatever it is. Okay, when you came home and you hug your partner, that moment, the the just one hug makes that day a kind of like a something really perfect day from my point of view. क्योंकि आई डोंट नो यार, क्योंकि परफेक्ट डे की कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं फ्रॉम माई परस्पेक्टिव. ओके, एंड यूजुअली इज दिस लाइक, अगर लाइक इफ आई वांटेड टू से ना कि परफेक्ट डे का मतलब क्या होता है, सो यूजुअली लाइक इफ आई वांटेड टू डिस्क्राइब अ परफेक्ट डे फ्रॉम दिस मोमेंट. सो यूजुअली मेरा परफेक्ट डे क्या होता है, सो आई वेक अप एट मॉर्निंग एट 7 a.m., started doing my work at almost like 8:30 or 9 a.m. I recorded my gameplay before the lunch. After the lunch, I started editing. Okay, before the workout, I complete my edit. After the workout, I came. After the workout, I came and started. Like I already upload a video, so I just have to title and thumbnail, and then my video is done. Then I play some sort of game for till 12 a.m. and then I went to sleep. So that makes me kind of like a something really perfect day. But usually this is not. Okay, क्योंकि जब भी like when I upload video per day, the video is not that good. Okay, क्योंकि usually मेरा काम, my work is literally creative. यहाँ पे आपको चीज़ों को सोचना पड़ता है, उसमें वक्त लगता है. ओके, थिंग्स आर नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ लाइक ईजी, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसे लेके लंच से पहले मैंने रिकॉर्ड कर दिया, एडिट कर दिया. नो, इट्स नॉट. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स आर फैक्टर आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. ओके, सो यूजुअली फ्रॉम दैट मोमेंट, फ्रॉम दैट डे परस्पेक्टिव, हाँ मैंने ये चीज़ एक दिन में एक वीडियो अपलोड कर दी, सो दैट मेक्स माई डे परफेक्ट डे. But usually for the long term, that is not. Okay, it depends on the work to काम कैसा है, किस तरह से, वगैरह वगैरह. ओके, एंड usually is that कि there is no perfect day dude. Okay, like things are really not so good every day. Okay, चीज़ें हमेशा एक समान कभी भी नहीं होती. But the from my point of view is that just one little hug that makes kind of like all those things. Yeah, बस रात को एक कडल करके सो जाओ, खत्म. That makes it kind of like something really good, perfect day. Wait, वो सीधा बैक हो गया. Okay, Okay. Do you ever imagine what our life would look like? Okay. Do you ever imagine what our life would look like together in the future? Okay. Basically, this question belongs to the couple. Okay. Usually इसमें ऐसा बताया गया कि अगर लाइक if this like basically मान लेते हैं कि there is a girlfriend who is actually sitting in front of me and I'm asking this question that कि if we are together what would be a future looks like. Okay, future किस तरह से होगा. So uh, like this question is actually answered by the two person. Okay, क्योंकि चीज़ें आपको अंडरस्टैंड करनी पड़ती है आपके पर्सपेक्टिव से, फिर आपके गर्लफ्रेंड के पर्सपेक्टिव से. Then the solution came after that. All right. So basically, this question should not be for one person. Okay. At this moment, I can't give the answer. Okay. But yeah, I can little bit of predict. But still, ना it's not good. क्योंकि यहाँ पे this question is meant for two person. ओके यहाँ पे चीज़ें आपको दो पर्सन से इंटरेक्ट करके ही सॉल्यूशन को फाइंड आउट किया जा सकता है. ओके सो नो. Okay, I can't give the answer. All right. uh what what's the most what is the worst decision you ever made? Worst decision. Well, usually I make lot of decision. Okay, but at that time I feel that the decision that I took was right. But when I see from very long period of time, I realize that those decisions are kind of like something really worse decision in my life. Okay. uh like I don't know, there are so many, but let me tell you one thing now. Like looking uh since I'm looking my life from that time and perspective, some longer perspective, I realize that the decision that I took, obviously it's not right, worse. Okay, but it has to be happened because like the consequences happened after I took the decision. Those consequences are actually helped me to build something really become better. Okay, in taking decision, not only taking decision, but the how should I um okay, let me explain to you. Okay, so uh, usually at this moment in 2016 I started doing a job in Khaparkheda. Okay, this is kind of like a something really decision feels like that ki worst decision in my life. Like if I didn't really go to the if I started doing something like a YouTube at that age, at that 2016. But usually no, that is not okay. Like basically at that moment the decision that I took was feels right. Okay, and if I seeing from the longer period of time, yeah, the decision was really wrong. But the consequences I already explained. The consequences is actually really helped me a lot. So I don't want to blame anything. Okay, I know I not only the one decision there, I took the so many decisions, dude. Okay, so many decisions are really worse decision. But from longer perspective, it realized that ki ha chalo this actually meant for something. So it's good. Okay, like as a person na, you never really take kind of like a something really worse decision. Okay, हम चीज़ों को हाँ एक वर्स डिसीजन लेते हैं बट उससे हम सीखते भी हैं. ओके, वी एक्चुअली like worst decision, what is exactly I am not actually says it's a worst decision. No, it's a mistake. Okay, the decision that means like it's a worst decision means a bad decision. No, it's not a bad decision, it's a mistake. Okay, and yeah, and we learn from our mistakes. So it's good, yeah, it's good. Okay, like there is nothing really easy. I didn't really see any kind of like a something really worst decision in my life. Okay, yeah, like I can tell you there are so many things. Okay, so many decisions, so many things, but every decision that I took, I it's feels like worst decision, but I think it's not worst decision, it's my mistake. So right, all right, next question. uh do you consider yourself successful? Yes. Yeah, I am feel really confident about that, the future that I have, if I going through this path. Okay, and I am going through this path. Okay, I will definitely get succeed. Yeah, definitely get succeed, because right now I am facing so many problems with my life. Okay, I am actually very, I am actually at very peak. Like things are really not so good at this moment. Really not. I am 30. I am kind of like a pathetic loser, living with the parents, not earning money. Okay. From another people perspective ना मैं बहुत ही चूतिया pathetic like it's, yeah, but still I am making videos, and I know कि one day it will work, and for that one day I am making my day as good, my video are making as good as possible as I can. That's it. Okay, that's the only thing that I know, and I'm completely believing the process that I'm doing. So yeah, so that's why I'm feel very confident that ki I will definitely get succeeded in my life. Not only get just succeeded, kind of like a succeeded means like that कि हाँ चलो मुझे job लग गई and that's it. No, it's not. Okay, there are so many things. Okay, and that succeed is just not just, it's a beginning of success, and there are so many success will came after that. Obviously problem and things are actually happen, but yeah, life is goes on, and every scenario you will actually learn from it, and yeah, I will definitely get succeeded. So yeah, I'm pretty sure. Okay, do you believe in soulmate? um Soulmate, आई डोंट नो यार. ओके, बेसिकली क्या होता है ना कि सोलमेट का मतलब क्या होता है कि एक दूजे के लिए बने हो. ओके, यू आर मेंट फॉर ईच अदर. डू यू बिलीव इन दैट? लाइक आई डोंट नो, देयर इज अ वन थिंग दैट आई एम बिलीविंग कि हम लोग यानी वी आर द पीपल, वी आर एक्चुअली born on this planet for something. Okay, and we just have to find that something. Okay, and that something could be career, could be life, could be a soulmate. Okay, yeah. So basically is that कि do you believe in soulmate? कि हाँ एक दूसरे के लिए बने हैं. I don't know, I never really experienced that kind of thing. Okay, I believe in love, and I believe the I believe that ki I will make that love even more stronger with my work and effort. Okay, but soulmate, like I don't know, like maybe I will not be able to understand the soulmate thing. Okay, शायद मैं इस चीज़ को नहीं समझ पाऊंगा. Might be. All right, next question. How have your parents impacted on your view on love and relationship? How have your parents impact your view on love and relationship? Basically is that आपके parents, what will they think about your love and your relationship? Means like that कि आप किसी बंदी से या किसी बंदे से प्यार करते हो. ओके, और आपने अपने पेरेंट्स को बताया कि लाइक दिस इज़ द बॉय, दिस इज़ द गर्ल दैट आई एम सीइंग. व्हाट डज दे विल थिंक? लाइक यू जस्ट हैव टू प्रेडिक्ट द फ्यूचर. व्हाट डज दे विल थिंक? This is also the same question is actually elaborated by two parties. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको चीज़ों को दोनों तरफ से समझ कर उसका जवाब देना पड़ता है. But I can easily give it to you. Okay, from my perspective. Okay, usually for like I मेरे लिए for me I am actually very much focused on the career oriented. Okay, and whatever the life decision that I took, like basically मुझे किससे शादी करनी है, किससे क्या करना है. Okay, usually I will take my decision by myself. I will not rely for this decision to my parents. Okay, so usually कि from my perspective ना, this is the kind of like something really big decision because of that कि आप, मैं ऐसे सोचता हूँ ना कि आप जिस बंदी से आप प्यार करते हो. ओके, और जिसके साथ आप शादी करके पूरी ज़िंदगी भर एक साथ रहने का वादा निभाते हो, इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, इसके लिए आपको एक तरह से करेज, एंड नॉट ओनली करेज बट यू जस्ट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर. क्योंकि इट्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंटायर लाइफ, वट एवर द लाइफ दैट यू हैव. ओके, मान लेते हैं अगर आपने शादी की एट द एज ऑफ 30 एंड यू विल डाई एट द एज ऑफ 80, दैट मीन्स यू हैव 50 ईयर्स. दैट मीन्स आपको 50 साल एक साथ रहना है. 50 ईयर, 50 साल, डूड, इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ओके, और इस टाइम पीरियड में बहुत कुछ चीज़ें हो जाती है, बहुत कुछ. ओके, सो यूजुअली पहले के लाइफ में, यानी आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 50 ईयर्स अगो, लोग सहन कर देते थे. ओके, कि हाँ चलो वी एक्चुअली, ओके, बट अभी सहन नहीं करते. इफ़ द वन पार्टी इज़ नॉट रियली कूल विद अनदर पार्टी, दे विल टेक डिवोर्स. ओके, बट फ्रॉम माई परस्पेक्टिव ना, कि यूजुअली आपको लाइफ 50 साल तक एक साथ जीना है. ओके, सो इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, सो मैं ऐसा पार्टनर चूज़ करूँगा व्हाट यू मीन बाय चूज़ करूँगा मीन्स, आई डोंट नो, लाइक आई डोंट हैव दैट मच क्राइटेरिया दैट कि हाँ चलो ऐसा होना चाहिए फिर ऐसा. नो, इट्स नॉट अबाउट. ओके, so usually there are some certain things. Okay, first of all is that कि whoever that person, I think that कि that person is one of that person, so usually I spend time with that person. Okay, starting में हम एक साथ शिफ्ट होंगे. ओके, जस्ट ट्राई टू बी इन लव, बात करेंगे वगैरह वगैरह, चीज़ों को सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे, प्यार को मजबूत करने के लिए वो हर सारी चीज़ें करेंगे जिससे हमारे प्यार मजबूत हो जाए. वी ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द करियर, बोथ द करियर, क्योंकि दोनों का भी करियर इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. ओके, करियर इज़ ऑल्सो रियली मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. ओके, ऑल्सो दैट कि उस करियर के बाद देन आई शिफ्टेड मूव इन, चीज़ों को अंडरस्टैंड करने, क्योंकि अभी तक हम एक दूसरे को जान लेते थे फॉर लिटिल बिट लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. अभी हम एक साथ रह रहे हैं तो चीज़ें काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट, नॉट डिफ़िकल्ट बट काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली दैट कि काफ़ी क्लोज से हम उस इंसान को जान लेते हैं. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू आर लिविंग विद दैट पर्सन, तो आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों को जान सकते हो. एंड देन यू अंडरस्टैंड कि उनकी आदतें, उनकी चीज़ें, उनको हंसना, वट एवर इट इज़. ओके, यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स. ओके, और आप उन सारी चीज़ों को प्यार करने लगते हो. अगर आप उस इंसान से प्यार करते हो तो आपको उन सारी हरकतों से भी प्यार होता है. ओके, बट इफ़ यू डोंट रियली लाइक दैट पर्सन एट दैट टाइम, यू जस्ट हैव टू एंड इट. बिकॉज एक तरह से हो जाता है ना कि हाँ चलो आप फिर अगर ऐसा हो जाता है कि आप दोनों एक दूसरे को बस सहन कर रहे हो, तो भाई आप 50 साल तक आप एक दूसरे को नहीं सहन कर पाओगे, लिटरली नॉट. ओके, बट अगर आप एक दूसरे को चीज़ों को, हरकतों से या उस इंसान से प्यार करने लगते हो, तो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली ग्रीन फ्लैग. हाँ चलो ये एक अच्छा फ्लैग है, एंड देन यू हैव टू प्रोसीड फर्दर. आप एक शादी कर सकते हो. एंड ऑब्वियसली दिस डिसीजन इज एक्चुअली टेक by the both the party, boy and girl. Okay, and this decision should not be involved with the parents and things like that. क्योंकि लाइफ का बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन होता है डूड. ओके, पेरेंट्स कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. हाँ, एक तरह से पेरेंट्स है लाइक, हाँ लाइक लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, अभी बहुत सारी चीज़ें पेरेंट्स के थ्रू ही होती है. ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ पे रिश्ता लेके जाते हैं, पहले पेरेंट्स बात करते हैं एक दूसरे के पेरेंट्स, फिर लड़का लड़की मिलते हैं. या इट इज़ एक्चुअली हैपेंड. ओके, बट यूजुअली ना मैं ऐसे सोचता नहीं डूड. ओके, आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट कि मेरे लाइफ में जो भी चीज़ें होगी, जो भी बंदी आएगी, आई विल इंटरैक्ट विद दैट पर्सन face to face. Then after that, my parents and her parents will interact with each other, and then okay. But usually, okay, I'm prefer to do kind of like something really love marriage. वहाँ पे parents का involvement ज़्यादा होगा नहीं. ओके, सो वहाँ पे पेरेंट्स क्या सोचते हैं उस लड़की के बारे में या उस लड़के के बारे में, उससे उतना उनका फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ओके, सो या, and basically my parents, okay, like if I am getting success, if I'm, yeah, I will definitely get success, and success होने के बाद ही ये सारी चीज़ें होंगी मेरी लाइफ में. तो या, तो it will, the parents thoughts will not be impacted. What do you believe, what do you believe happened after death? what do you believe, ओके, मरने के बाद क्या होता है? ओके, लाइक मरने के बाद व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपन? आई डोंट नो यार डूड. ओके, लाइक मैं सोचता हूँ कि लाइफ में एक लाइफ होता है जहाँ पे आप सब कुछ चीज़ों को कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. यू, योर बॉडी, योर एक्शन, योर डिसीजन, योर एवरीथिंग. ओके, मरने के बाद आई डोंट नो. ओके, मैं कभी मरा नहीं हूँ, तो यूजुअली मरने के बाद क्या होता है आई डोंट नो. ओके, लाइफ में हमें एक चांस मिलता है और इसी एक चांस को आप कितना ज़्यादा फ्लरिश करते हो, इट्स ऑल डिपेंड ऑन यू. मरने के बाद तो व्हाट एवर थिंग्स हैपन, इट हैपेंस. ओके, सो या, मरने के बाद तो हाँ, that's it. Yeah, I didn't really believe मरने के बाद क्या होता है. Like maybe I will not understand the process, what will happen after the death. I don't know. I'm not really sure about this thing. Alright. What gets you out of bed in the morning? Okay. What gets you out of the bed in the morning? What gets you out of the bed in the morning? यानी यहाँ पे ऐसा सवाल पूछा गया है कि यूजुअली जब आप सुबह उठते हो तो ऐसा कौन सा रीज़न होता है जहाँ पे आप सुबह उठते हो. लाइक व्हाट इज एक्चुअली द रीज़न? लाइक आई डोंट नो, लाइक मे बी आई एम translating this question is not really right way, but try to understand with a clear form of way. और क्योंकि कभी कभी होता है ना, okay, I'm gonna ask you the same question with kind of like something really very improvised. Okay, what is the reason that you wake up in the morning? Okay, what is exactly the reason that you have to wake up in the morning? Do you have any reason to wake up in the morning? So do I have any reason to wake up in the morning? Usually I wake up at 7 a.m. Okay, so what is exactly reason? Reason means like that कि usually I have to do my work. Okay, अगर मैं सुबह उठता हूँ, सुबह उठने के बाद I just have to make breakfast करने के बाद मैं काम पे लगूँगा. So usually all those things required to wake me up in the morning. अगर मैं सुबह उठूँगा ही नहीं तो मैं काम कैसे करूँगा? Okay, so yeah, for me has reason. What if like there is no work for you? मान लेते कि Sunday there is no work, so what do? Do you wake up at morning? Yeah, क्योंकि usually wake up in the morning is became my routine. Okay, even if I don't really have any work, but still I will do some sort of thing. Okay, मैं ये नहीं चाहता ना कि मैं दिन भर भी सोया रहूँ. ओके हाँ, आई जस्ट नीड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ स्लीप. अगर मैं रात भर जगा हूँ तो या आई नीड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ स्लीप. ओके, अगर मेरी छुट्टी है तो चलो मैं 8 घंटे सो जाऊँगा. ओके, बिकॉज स्लीप इज़ रियली नेसेसरी. बट या एट सम सर्टन पॉइंट आई हैव टू वेक अप. ओके, रीज़न और नो रीज़न. ओके, ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि मुझे कोई रीज़न नहीं है तो मैं बस दिन रात भर सोया रहूँ. नो, इट्स नॉट. ओके, अगर आपको रीज़न नहीं है तो यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड द रीज़न फॉर वेक मी अप इन द मॉर्निंग. ओके, and if you have a reason to wake up in the morning, like basically like tomorrow I have to go to job, like tomorrow I have a morning shift, so obviously you have to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning because you have a solid reason for it. All right. So yeah, basically everyone has a reason. ऐसा कोई बंदा मैंने देखा नहीं है ओके कि जिसके पास रीज़न नहीं है तो इसलिए वो नहीं क्या दिन भर सोया रहा है. नो, इट्स नॉट. ओके, इट इज़ रियली नॉट. Okay, next question. What does friendship means to you? Yes, I have so many friends. Yeah, and friendship is really matter to me a lot. But मैं friendship को एक तरह से friendship तक ही रखता हूँ. Okay, what do you mean by that? Means by that ना, आई डोंट नो, लाइक आई डेंट रियली हैव एनी वैल्यूज रिगार्डिंग अ फ्रेंडशिप. ओके, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि हाँ ये मेरा फ्रेंड से तो व्हाट इज एटली द क्राइटेरिया ही बीन थ्रू दैट मेक्स ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड. नो, इट्स नॉट. ओके, यूजुअली हम लाइफ में ऐसे लोगों से मिलते हैं जहाँ पे हम शायद साल में एक बार कभी मिल जाते हैं बट उस बंदे को भी हम फ्रेंड्स कहते हैं. ओके, सो बेसिकली इज दैट कि फ्रेंड्स एंड फ्रेंडशिप के लिए कोई ऐसे क्राइटेरिया नहीं होता. वी बिकेम फ्रेंड्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रैंडमली, समथिंग दैट कि हाँ वो बंदा मेरे क्लास में मेरे ट्यूशन में है सो वी बिकेम फ्रेंड्स. ओके, काइंड ऑफ लाइक मेरे घर के सामने रहता है सो बिकेम फ्रेंड्स. ओके, तो यूजुअली हम फ्रेंड्स बनाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि दैट पर्सन इज एक्चुअली क्लोज इनफ so we can talk and we can do some sort of things. Okay, so usually फ्रेंडशिप के लिए ऐसा कोई क्राइटेरिया नहीं, लाइक व्हाट मेक्स इट काइंड ऑफ लाइक ही इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड और ही इज़ माई फ्रेंडशिप. नो, इट्स नॉट. ओके, एंड बट स्टिल at some sort of point you have to expect some sort of thing. Okay, expect means like that, मान लेते हैं कि you have some sort of friend in your college and it's your birthday party and you want to spend your birthday party with your friends. So what you do is that कि you invite some sort of people to come on your birthday party. Okay, so you are actually expecting that कि they will come at your home. Will they come? Definitely come. Okay, definitely come, not for your birthday party but because of that कि all those people are gathering, they spend some sort of time. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so usually friends are actually not meant like basically ऐसा नहीं होता ना कि हाँ ये मेरा फ्रेंड है तो मैं उससे एक्सपेक्ट करूँगा कि इससे मुझे हैप्पीनेस मिलेगा. सो बेसिकली हाँ तू मेरा फ्रेंड है बिड़ो तू मेरा फ्रेंड है तो अभी तू मेरे को हंसा. नो, इट्स नॉट. ओके, यूजुअली फ्रेंडशिप, द वैल्यू ऑफ द फ्रेंडशिप दैट यू गेट व्हेन यू हैव मल्टीपल पीपल. ओके, एक फ्रेंड से आपको इतनी ज़्यादा खुशी नहीं मिलेगी लेकिन अगर आप वहाँ पे 5 लोग हैं तो वहाँ पे और भी ज़्यादा खुशी मिलेगी. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द वैल्यू ऑफ द फ्रेंडशिप is even bigger when you have multiple people in it. All right, so yeah, so the question is that ki what does friendship means to you? What does friendship means to you? Like I means to you means like that कि what friendship का meaning क्या होता है मेरे लिए? I don't know dude. Okay, शायद मेरे लिए कोई definition नहीं है friendship के लिए. Okay, whoever the person knows me, I know that person, that's it, he is my friend, that's it. Okay, I don't have any definition to decide that who is my friend or who is not friend. I know him, he knows me, khatam, that's it. Okay, party बिड़ू चल घर ही आ जा, मज़ा करेंगे, that's it, became friends. Okay, तो यहाँ पे ऐसे कोई मीनिंग वाली कुछ है चीज़ें नहीं है। लाइक कभी कभी कुछ लोग सोचते हैं ना कि इफ़ ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड देन बेसिकली ही विल नॉट बिट्रे मी और विल ही नॉट बिट्रे मी। डूड यार डूड, आई एम वे पास ओवर थ्री दिस थिंग। ओके, मैं इन सारी चीज़ों से क्रॉस हो चुका हूँ। ओके, आई सीन फ्रेंड्स, आई सीन सम ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स हु केम एंड गॉन। ओके, क्योंकि लाइफ में क्या होता है ना, आपकी लाइफ में नहीं क्या, लिटरली आप किसको फ्रेंड्स बोलोगे। ओके, सो बेसिकली एज अ पर्सन हैज़ अ सम सॉर्ट ऑफ पीपल। ओके, एक होता है फैमिली पर्सन। ओके, जहाँ पे आपके आई बाबा सिस्टर ब्रदर, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फैमिली। ओके, उनको आप फ्रेंड्स नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि दे आर फैमिली। फिर आते हैं कज़न, चाचा मामा भतीजा वगैरह, ऑल दोस थिंग्स, दैट इज़ अनदर सर्कल। फिर उसके बाद जो सर्कल आता है, उसके बाद आप जिन लोगों को जानते हो वो सारे लोग फ्रेंड्स हैं आपके। ओके, वो सारे लोग फ्रेंड्स हैं। ओके, बट डूड हाउ शुड आई, मैं वहाँ पे लाइक बेसिकली आई नो अ पर्सन हु इज़ एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ लाइक डूइंग हेयर कट। तो ही इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी एजेड पर्सन, आई नो हिम, ही नोज मी, so that does make he is my friend? No, he's kind of like a not friend but kind of like a something really, we actually describe him as a kaka mama dada वगैरह whatever it is. Okay, he is not kind of like a something really related but closely related to the friends. Okay, okay, चलो हम उन चीज़ों को वैनिश कर देते हैं एंड वी आर एक्चुअली काउंटिंग अ पीपल दैट काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली फ्रेंड। ओके, स्कूल का फ्रेंड, कॉलेज का फ्रेंड, क्लास का फ्रेंड या वट एवर इट इज़। ओके, सो दोज आर द फ्रेंड्स। सो यूजली लाइफ में क्या होता है कि आप करीब नहीं क्या पूरे लाइफ में 1000 से ज़्यादा लोगों को जानते होंगे, उनमें से करीब ऐसे 4 या 5 लोग ही होंगे जिनके साथ आप पूरा टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहते हो। ओके, उनके साथ आप लाइफ के जो भी हैप्पीएस्ट मोमेंट उनके साथ शेयर करना चाहते हो, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि दोज पीपल आर काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली मेंट टू यू। ओके, अब ये मेंट टू यू का मतलब क्या होता है कि व्हाट इज एटली इज दिस थिंग। ओके, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन टू यू। सो यूजुअली बादल, विशाल, पिंटू, लाइक आई हैव सम ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स, आई नो देम सिंस ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 2010, तो अभी करीब 13 साल हो गए। ओके, वी नो देम। ओके, और वी स्टिल हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड। या कि हम अभी व्हाट्सएप पे गुड मॉर्निंग वगैरह करते हैं एंड एक्चुअली नेक्स्ट मंथ वी आर गोइंग टू द टूर ट्रिप। ओके, सो यूजुअली व्हाट डज मेक्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली बॉन्ड बिटवीन अस, क्योंकि हम आई डोंट नो यार। ओके, लाइक लाइक आई डोंट नो what does we have that no one has, like basically मैंने ऐसे भी दोस्त देखे जो कॉलेज रहकर कॉलेज में थे, फिर कॉलेज ख़त्म, फिर दोस्त भी ख़त्म। आई सीन दोज पीपल। ओके, बट दीज पीपल दैट हैव, वी डोंट हैव दैट मच कॉमन। ओके, लाइक एवरी पीपल, लाइक कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है। बादल, विशाल, ही इज़ एक्चुअली फ्रॉम एस डी कॉलेज, आई एम फ्रॉम अग्निहोत्री कॉलेज, पिंटू फ्रॉम that Datta Mege College, Vaibhav from Om College, and basically we are actually far away. Okay, हमारी like हमारा age and my friend is kind of like something really different, क्योंकि विशाल, me, Prashik, Badal, we are kind of like something really same age at the 1993. Okay, but Vaibhav, Pintu, Vicky Bhau, one man are little bit aged, वो हमसे 2 या 3 साल बड़े हैं। Okay, but still we are the friends because what makes it something really common, because we don't have any common, हमारे पास कोई कॉमन चीज़ है नहीं, फिर भी हम बॉन्ड एक तरह से लगा रहे थे कि लाइक बेसिकली इन सारी चीज़ों से हमें खुशी मिलती है। ओके, व्हेन वी हैंग आउट ईच अदर, दैट the moment that we spent, the moment was kind of like something really very likable to each other. हर वो बंदा उस एक्सपीरियंस को एंजॉय करना चाहता है जब सारे दोस्त एक साथ होते हैं। ओके, एंड एवरीवन लव्स इट। सो या, तो यूजुअली आई डोंट नो यार व्हाट मेक्स इट कि कौन से दोस्त आपके लाइफ में लाइफ लॉन्ग रहेंगे या कौन से दोस्त लाइफ लॉन्ग नहीं रहेंगे। आई डोंट नो डूड। ओके, आई कांट टेल यू, मुझे नहीं पता डूड, क्योंकि मैं फ्रेंडशिप को डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर पाता हूँ कि कौन सा फ्रेंड मेरे लाइफ में रहेगा नहीं रहेगा। आई डोंट नो। ओके, sometimes situation depends, sometimes time is depends, sometimes I don't know what with the fuck. Like basically there is my friend, okay, Mayur Dahake was one of my best friend, okay, when I was in the स्कूल इन द कॉलेज, ओके, क्योंकि 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक हम साथ में थे, उसके बाद 12th स्टैंडर्ड तक भी हम साथ में थे, ओके। फिर आफ्टर द 12th स्टैंडर्ड कॉलेज चेंज, उसके अलग दोस्त बन गए, मेरे अलग दोस्त बन गए। देन राइट नाउ या ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड लाइक, बट यूजुअली वी नेवर रियली टॉक टू ईच अदर, ओके। जब भी हम ऐसे ऐसे मिलते नहीं, बेसिकली इज दैट कि वी जस्ट नो फ्रॉम फार अवे, तो हम वी जस्ट हैव टू वेव टू ईच अदर, दैट्स इट, ओके। अभी तो कुछ भी ऐसा बॉन्ड तो वगैरह कुछ है नहीं, बट या सो आई डोंट नो यार dude, okay, sometimes things are happen, sometimes things are not happen, so kind of like that. All right, yeah, I've been talking for 45 minutes. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, like basically I'm bit really in stress for entire day, so I just wanted to talk, and I can talk even more further. Okay, should I go another question? Okay, yeah. How do your best friend make you feel? बेस्ट फ्रेंड मेक यू फील लाइक, अगर आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड अगर आपके साथ में है तो आपको कैसा लगता है? आई डोंट नो यार, ओके। यूजुअली कोई मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, लाइक आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट डोंट रियली नो डू आई हैव बेस्ट फ्रेंड और नॉट, ओके। जस्ट बेस्ट, आई डोंट नो यार, ओके। मेरा तो ऐसा कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड तो है नहीं, ओके। Oh, I don't know the perfect definition of the best friend, that ki I don't know. I didn't really have any best friend, so I don't know about this question. Okay, so yeah. Then what do you look for an friend? क्या आप दोस्त में क्या ढूंढते हो? नहीं यार, मैं कुछ भी नहीं ढूंढता यार, लिटरली आई नेवर लुक फॉर एनीथिंग दैट कि हाँ अगर इसमें ये है तो ये मेरा फ्रेंड है, अगर इसमें ये नहीं है तो ये मेरा फ्रेंड नहीं है। No, it's all depend on the situation, it's all depend on the thing, it's all depend on the environment. Yeah, usually I never really decide that कि उसमें ऐसा क्या है जिसमें वो मेरा फ्रेंड बन सकता है। I don't know, it's just like I don't know यार dude. Okay, friends हम ऐसे बन जाते हैं, and yeah, that's it. Okay, there is no kind of like a thing. All right. Do you ever think it's okay to lie? In what scenarios? क्या कभी झूठ बोलना ठीक है? Hmm, झूठ बोलना हम, वेल समटाइम्स ना झूठ, लाइक आई डोंट नो, ओके, लाइक व्हेन यू लाई, ओके, बेसिकली इज दैट कि आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जांपल। चलो मान लेते हैं कि देयर इज़ अ फ्रेंड हु इज़ एक्चुअली आस्किंग यू, जो आपसे फ़ोन पे बात कर रहा है, वो कह रहा है कि भाई शादी पे है, हम शादी पे पहुँच, लाइक टुमारो वी हैव अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ वेडिंग, ओके, तो हमें जाना है, ओके। So but tomorrow you have some sort of work, okay, tomorrow you have like basically is that ki tomorrow you have like assignment or something like that, okay, but you don't have to say something to him because of that कि like just an example is that कि मान लेते हैं तुम्हारे क्लास का बंदा है, ओके, वो तुमको कह रहा है कि भाई कल पार्टी है, चलो पार्टी पे चलते हैं, ओके, बट डूड यार day after tomorrow you have a test, okay, you and him both have a test, okay, so for that test you have to prepare, okay, you have to prepare, but how does he say something, okay, if you say ना कि भाई मेरा टेस्ट है तो मुझे प्रिपेयर करना है, उसका भी तो टेस्ट है, ओके, आई डोंट नो यार, ओके, इट्स इज एक्चुअली at that period of time, sometime it's actually depend on the situation, it's actually depend on the person, it's sometime, yeah, I'm actually agreed with that ki yeah, sometime you just have to tell a lie, okay, but with a proper thing, I don't know okay, yeah, but I am completely agreed with that ki sometime you just have to tell a lie, okay. yeah, kind of like escape the scenario or escape the situation might be it help. But yeah, I use some sort of thing. Sometime I lie. Okay, sometime if I didn't really have to do anything, but still I will not go with my friend because of that कि मुझे पता अगर वहाँ पे गया तो और भी ज़्यादा वक्त लगे, टाइम लगेगा, so I will not go there. So yeah, uh, what's something you never realize about yourself until someone else told you? Okay, yeah. So does anyone say something to you कि uh, that you don't really realize? um, yeah, इन प्रोफेशनल करियर ओके, मैंने चीज़ों को बहुत ज़्यादा लाइटली लिया था. लाइक व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग अ जॉब इन पीएमआई, तो वहाँ पे मैं काफ़ी अनप्रोफेशनल था, बहुत ही अनप्रोफेशनल. लाइक यूजुअली आई डोंट नो हाउ शुड आई टॉक टू माई सीनियर, आई डोंट नो हाउ शुड आई इंटरैक्ट विद दोज पीपल, आई डोंट नो एनी थिंग अबाउट द प्रोफेशनलिज्म. मैं इतना ज़्यादा चूतिया था ना, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. ओके, मैं मैनेजर के सामने गाने लगा के काम करता था डूड. Okay, manager, she didn't really say anything, but actually it affect on my performance, it affect on my thing. Okay, usually मेरे सीनियर से किस तरह से बातें करना ये भी मुझे नहीं पता था. Okay, so uh, at that time I didn't really realize that I was making a mistake. At some certain time, my friend, he didn't really realize me, but he was actually says me that ki dude, the way that you interact with your seniors is not really good. Okay, like you just have to talk to kind of like a something really as a respected way, not as a friend way. क्योंकि हाँ वो तुम्हारी उम्र की है. Like there is a Prashant who is actually similar age. Okay, so usually we actually interact, like I usually try to interact with him as a friend because like we are at the same age, but actually he is very much experienced. वो 2 साल से मेरा सीनियर था एंड ही इज़ अ प्रोजेक्ट लीड. ओके, और मैं उससे ऐसे बातें कर रहा हूँ जैसे लाइक एज अ फ्रेंड, एंड दैट इज़ नॉट कूल. ओके, सो व्हेन यू आर in the professional world you just have to interact as a professional. So yeah, that is a mistake. And my friend named Vivek, he is actually joined the same day. Okay, and he was realizing me that ki, dude, your professional level is really not that good. And I realized that, and but after that बहुत ज़्यादा वक्त हो गया था. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ना कि द इमेज दैट आई क्रिएटेड in the office because of my behavior was kind of like something really childish, joker वगैरह वगैरह. And after that I put lot of effort to remove that stamp, remove that kind of like something really joker from my bio, from my professional career, but it never really gets. And I don't know यार, I just have to quit the job because अब ना कभी कभी ऐसे वैल्यू बन जाती है ना डूड की I don't know how should I explain this thing. Okay, like yeah, I just don't want to talk about it. It's just kind of like something really fucked up thing happened. I don't know. I realized that I was making a mistake. If I think about that, I just kind of like मैं फिर से demotivate हो जाऊंगा. I just don't want to do that. Okay, I know that I make a mistake and it won't be happen in the future. Okay, yeah. Alright, next question. Uh, what's your biggest fear? Could you ever face it? What's your biggest fear? Could you ever face it? तुम्हारे ऐसी कोई like what is your biggest fear? ऐसा डर, सबसे बड़ा डर. I am 30. It's 2023. I am hoping that कि next year 2024 might be I will start earning some sort of money, and till next year But if it not, but it's not kind of like a something really big fear. Yeah, I will be little scared. Maybe शायद मुझे 1 साल और लगेगा. But I just wanted to earn money from YouTube soon as possible as I can. So that's why I'm making my video as good as possible as I can. Okay. Uh Dude, यार, don't really lose hope. अगर if you are not starting any money from next year, you will try another year, dude. Okay, just try. Okay, make it video, make it. Just try to do it. Okay, चीज़ें होंगी. You just have to focus on yourself and do your thing, dude. Okay, that's it. It will definitely happen. Yeah, just do your thing. All right. Yeah, that's the kind of like something really biggest fear, scared moment maybe. Then next question is that ki does aging aging scared you? Okay, yeah, does aging scared you? I am 30. Like this is today's date is 30 August. Tomorrow is a 31 August. Then 1st September. Then 2nd September. That means after 2 days I became I will cross 30. Okay, and yeah, like बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं कि till the age of 30 you have to achieve some sort of thing, and I haven't really achieved anything, and that makes me little bit of scared. या मुझे डर लगने लगता है चीज़ों से. But also is that कि I try to understand कि this is my struggle, this is my thing. Okay, हाँ, मैंने चीज़ों को थोड़ा सा डिले स्टार्ट किया, बट या मैंने स्टार्ट तो किया. ओके, आई वॉज being such a kind of like a something really very horrible person, but I've been through so many stages of level and things and experience, all those things that I gain from last 10 year. uh, it actually work. Okay, it definitely work, and I am believing myself, I am believing in my craft, and things will go good, things will definitely happen good. Okay, yeah, sometime I am scared, बट डूड यार, कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि आप चीज़ों को बहुत ज़्यादा स्केर्ड लेते हो कि आप बहुत सारे एक्सपेक्टेशन लगा देते हो कि मुझे इस उम्र तक मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है, वो करना है. बट डूड यार, यू हैव एंटायर योर लाइफ. ओके, चलो मान लेते कि एट द एज ऑफ 30 यू हैव टू अचीव दिस थिंग, बट यू हैवंट रियली अचीव दैट थिंग. then what makes you are the failure? No, you are not a failure. Still you have a 50 year ahead of you. मान लेते कि अगर तू 80 साल में मर रहा है तो you have a 50 year against of you, in front of you. ओके, 50 साल. ओके, और इस 50 साल में बहुत कुछ हो जाता है डूड, बहुत कुछ हो जाता है, पूरी लाइफ चेंज होता है, पूरी दुनिया चेंज हो जाती है. ओके, सो डोंट लूज होप. लाइक अगर आप यू क्रॉस 30, डोंट लूज होप डूड. just keep doing your thing. Okay, age is a number. The things that you decide and things that you want and things that you become, it's not depend on your age, it's depend on you. Okay, हाँ, एक तरह से डर लगने लगता है. I am also a human, and I am also bitterly scared of things that I'm aging. But yeah, it is what it is. It's a reality, and you have to face the reality. That's it. Okay. Okay, one last question. What was your childhood like? Childhood, yeah. Okay, there is a one thing I'm gonna tell you is that usually what is exactly the childhood for me. Okay, so like at this moment, okay, like I seen some of the people at the age of 15, 14, 16, they aren't look like child. वो बच्चों की तरह बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहे हैं. ओके 16 साल की उम्र में बंदे क्या लग रहे यार डूड, लड़कियां क्या हॉट एंड कड़क. Like let me tell you one thing, I don't know, okay, but there is a girl, like not only one or two girls, multiple girls at the age of below the age of 20, they are look like model, Instagram influencer, they became Instagram, millions of followers they have. What the fuck? Okay. Or like when you see them on Instagram, like they are look like a kind of like something really a actor or actress kind of like that. हाँ बंदे बंदियाँ भी. Okay. And I imagine myself at the age of 20, मैं कितना चूतिया था यार dude. कितना okay, I'm giving you example. So usually okay, so at the 11th standard में कितने साल का होऊंगा, 17 साल का. Okay, so I was 17. Okay, and usually I have to take the admission in a physics tuition classes in Prism. Okay, so Prism Academy is a kind of like a academy where they are the one teacher Parag Raut who is actually taking classes of physics, and it was very popular and his teaching was really good. So that's why every student every student in science stream, they wanted to learn physics from Parag Raut sir from Prism Academy. So when I went there फर्स्ट डे, इट वॉज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ वेरी स्केरी. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग थे, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट थे, एंड आई वॉज स्केर्ड. मैं डरने लगा था कि लाइक हाउ शुड आई टेक द एडमिशन, बिकॉज मैं अकेला था. सो यूजुअली एट दैट डे आई डिसाइडेड दैट कि टुमारो आई विल ब्रिंग माई फादर टू टेक द एडमिशन. मैं इतना चूता था कि मुझे ट्यूशन में एडमिशन लेने के लिए मैं अपने पिताजी को साथ में लेकर आया. So this is I was at the age of 17, at the age of okay. और यहाँ पे लोग करीब 2-3 मिलियन फॉलोअर लेके, लाइक बेसिकली उनको शक्ल देख के ऐसा लगता है डूड व्हाट द फक, ये 17 साल की है. Like you are actually a bit doubtful. Okay, like where the fuck childhood go. childhood रहा ही का है. Like basically ना this social media thing वहाँ पे नहीं गया चीज़ों को, like till the age of 12 or 13 you should be considered as your child. Okay, मैं तो मेरे लाइफ में at the age of 20 में child ही था. After that I also kind of like something really child. Dude, मैं ऑफिस में भी चाइल्डिश बिहेवियर कर रहा था एट द एज ऑफ 23 डूड. Sorry, at the age of 25 I got a job in PMI. I was also a child over there. Okay. So usually na, how is my childhood? Yeah, like I don't know, like I enjoy a really lot as a childhood. Okay, like I don't know. Yeah, I enjoy. There are so many things that I did as a childhood. Like basically, पानी में जाके मछली पकड़ना, छत से नीचे कूदना. छत से नीचे कूदना मीन्स लाइक दैट कि देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रेत. ओके, तो वहाँ पे ऐसे बच्चे लाइक वी वाज काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली वेरी kids. So we actually like a jump off from the roof to that sand, and everyone does that. Now it's not that much hurtful, but we did it. Okay, lappan chupan and do some sort of shitty stuff. Okay, but my childhood was good. Okay, the biggest regret that I have that कि मैं at the age of 26 तक child ही था. At the age of 25 तक child ही था. Okay, I never really know what should I do. I just learn from my mistakes, dude. मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों को एक मिस्टेक से सीखा हूँ मैं. Okay, and yeah, my childhood was good. Yeah. So I've been talking for almost like a 1 hour. That is good. Great. Okay. I really need to talk that much because of that. Yeah, I was bitterly stressed and whatever. But yeah, this question is makes that artifact episode really cool. All right, we will actually continue this thing in next artifact episode. All right, this is it. Thank you.